I'm Dawn Michelle, and this is Makeup Breakup Blog. And today I'm so excited to be reviewing the latest from our friends at Ipsy. Let's see what's inside, shall we? Okay, and here is the card, the play card that they put inside. And it says, The Year of Yes. And here's the stuff on the back as to what possibly will be in there. I don't have my reading glasses with me, so we'll just see what's in the box and just go through it. Okay, the first thing I see in here is from Pink Lips. I believe I have something of this. I think it was a lip scrub, if I'm not wrong. Is this a lip scrub? This is a lip sleeping mask. Isn't that nice? Such a tiny little box. I'll open it to see what's inside real quick. Oh, this is a pretty color. I would love this for a lip gloss or a lip tint, maybe. Oh, has a little tab on here. Okay. Oh, that's so pretty. I don't even want to touch it. It's so pretty in there. It has a bit of a fruity scent. I can't place it right now, but it actually smells a little like what fruit would smell like if it was in the cough syrup. I know that's not sexy, but that's what it smells like. The next thing I have in here is from Wander Beauty, and this is their On the Glow. I'm assuming this is a face product. It's in the shade Dusk. On the Glow Blush and Illuminator. Okay, nice. So see that there. I don't see that's interesting. Not a protective covering, but let's see. Okay, it's very thick. It doesn't have a scent. So this is a blush and illuminator on the go. Okay. So I'm gonna let that sit for a minute and move on to the next thing. The next thing I have here is in this lovely little packaging. I don't know what this is. I appreciate when things are properly packaged, protective wise, and that it has a protective seal. This is from Voss. This is a pixie powder, setting powder. Ooh, with vitamin E and hyaluronic acid. Okay, like that. I don't think I ever had anything from Voss before. And this is the packaging. Why does it remind me of kimchi in a way? The packaging. It's pink, pale pink. Comes in a very retro type of packaging. And this is what it looks like. Very cute. And it has a little heart embossed in the center. I don't know if you can see that. And I think this lifts and has a powder puff underneath with a mirror. How cute is that? This isn't embossed with the name, so that probably saved them some money. The next thing I have in here is from Ever Eden, and this says Ever Eden Darling. This is a fragrance. Oh, a fragrance mist. Ever Eden. Okay. It's nice when you get a fragrance. Oh, this is a cute bottle. Why does this remind me of Rare Beauty with the it's called Darling, I guess. Ooh. See how it smells. Oh, okay. It does have a spray here. It smells fruity right off the bat. It's very sweet. Kind of reminds me of Marc Jacobs. Daisy one. It has that kind of fruity scent. Nice. Very sugary, very fruity, very young, dare I say. And finally, last but certainly not least, it's the Tula Skincare, the Cult Classic. This is one of my favorites. I'm so glad I got a new one because I was running a bit low. I really need to put this back in my routine. Can't wait. In the meantime, I am going to do this real quick. Okay. And just like that, I am done. Oh, wow. It does have a bit of a glow. It looks natural. It looks like close to my natural color. I'm really, really pleased about it. Oh my goodness. And I think that is the end of my Ipsy box for January 2026. What did you get in your Ipsy box? Are you an Ipster? Let me know in the comments below. And if you haven't done so already, hit that like button, and even better, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you will know when my next video will be up. Thank you so much for watching me on my latest unboxing, and I hope to see you on my next one. Take care, stay safe.